Welcome to my CyberTech-VB channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable the new targeted ad tracking in Google Chrome. Last summer, Google introduced a new ad tracking system in the Chrome browser, which will help the advertisers to profit from your browsing history and also from your pattern of browsing. If you don't want to share information with third parties, you can disable this ad tracking system by changing only 3 settings. And now I'll show you how to do this. There are 2 ways to get to the adPrivacy screen in the Chrome settings. The first one is just to go to the 3 dots at the upper right corner of your screen, click on them and scroll down to the settings. Click on settings and at the left side of your screen you'll see privacy and security. Click on it and then scroll down to adPrivacy, and you will see the 3 settings you would like to change in order to disable the new targeted ad tracking in Google Chrome. The other way to have access to this screen, is simply type the following text in the search field of the browser, and don't forget to capitalize the letter P in privacy. I will include this text string in the description below this video, and after you type it in the search field, just hit enter and you will go straight to the adPrivacy screen. Probably this is the easiest way to get to this screen, and again you can see the 3 settings that you would like to change, and also you can see that by default these settings all of them are on. This setting is on the first, the second and the third one. The first one, Add Topics, will show you your interests based on your browsing history. The second one, Site Suggested Ads, will suggest ads based on the sites you have visited. And the third one, Ad Measurement, will share information with sites to help them measure how effective is their advertising. So if you really would like to disable the ad tracking in Google Chrome, you have to turn all those settings off one by one. By clicking on each one, you go and turn the slider off. For the first one, Add Topics, go back to the previous screen, click on the next one, Site Suggested Ads, and do the same. Turn the slider off, go back to the previous screen, and the last one, Ad Measurement, click on it and do the same. Go back to the previous screen, and now you can see that all the settings are off. This setting is off, this setting is off, and the third one is off. And that's all. You're done. You just disabled the new targeted ad tracking system in Google Chrome. And also, this is all from me for today. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like it, click on the subscribe and like buttons. And thank you for watching, and also have a nice and pleasant day.